uMasipala waseKapa uthi ingaphezulu kwama200 imijondolo ekhahlanyezwe imvula enamandla.
This weather, it's affected us because all the houses are falling with the water, are full of the water, are flooding, and it's damaging everything.
Ikhansela laseGugulethu selisole uhulumeni ngokungabanaki abantu bakule ndawo.
The condition here is very bad. Last night people were swimming in water. They could not even sleep. There was water all over in their houses. The challenge is that the area that we are living in, it used to be a dumping site. Then the city of Cape Town removed people here. Tembulare, it was 2003. It's been 23 years they are staying here and there are no services.
Nakuba kungakabikwa ukuthi kukhona oshonile, kodwa abezimo eziphuthumayo bakwaze ukuhlenga umfanyana oneminyaka eyisithupha obeminza emanzini agcwele emgwaqeni ngolesithathu. Kusenjalo, abantu abadayisa emgwaqeni yaseGoli bathi amakhaza anomthelela ongemuhle emabhizinisini abo.
It's affecting us in different ways, our health, even as our business. As you can see that the business is just standing still. People, they are not buying, people, they are not coming and see what we are doing.
Njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi amakhaza aqhubeke nokubuza ukuthi ungubongaki, izakhamuzi zakulelizwe ziyanxuswa ukuba ziqaphele uma ngabe zisebenzisa izifudumezi.